You are here. Have you ever wondered how those smooth, foamy liquid soaps are made? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make quality liquid soap right from home. Safe, simple, and perfect for everyday use. My friends, let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure you wear your hand gloves and face masks. Safety comes first because we'll be working with chemicals that can irritate the skin and nose if not handled properly. Step 1 is getting everything ready. Here is everything we'll be using for the production. Yes, this is our chemical. Yes, this is the chemicals we'll be using for the production. You will need a turning stick. So I use my mopping stick for the production. I remove the mop. Then you also need a bowl or a bucket, but I prefer using a basin like this. I have been using this basin for 5 years for chemical production only. Then you need buckets that has measurements for you to measure your water. Yes, so starting, we'll be measuring 10 liters of water. The 10 liters of water, you are going to pour in the 10 liters of water into the bowl. Then the first chemical is Nitrosol. Now pour in your Nitrosol, add everything and stir properly until it completely dissolves. Yes, Nitrosol is your first chemical to go in. Then your second chemical is Caustic Soda. Caustic soda is your next chemical. Please handle it carefully. It can cause itching if it touches your skin. This chemical helps to thicken and stabilize the soap. Stir thoroughly until it's well mixed. Yes, the work of caustic soda is to thicken the soap. Yes, as you can see, it's very thick, right? Next chemical is light ash, which comes in powder form. It is not advisable to pour in this light ash directly into the already mixed chemical. It will cause lumps, and to avoid these lumps, dissolve this light ash in a small bowl of water. Yes, dissolve it and make sure you dissolve it fully, like make sure everything is fully mixed in that small bowl before you can now pour it directly into your already mixed chemical. Please do this to avoid lumps. This is the only way you can avoid the lumps. Once you pour in this light ash directly to that chemical, you are creating lumps. So to avoid it, dissolve it separately in a small bowl of water. Then you can now pour it into the main bowl and stir well until it's smooth. Yes, our next chemical is sulfonic acid. This is sulfonic acid. Now add your sulfonic acid. It is a foaming agent that makes your soap bubble nicely. Pour it gently around the bowl. Pour in every single thing. Don't leave anyone left. And when you think you have already poured in everything, you can now cover the container and let it sit upside down for a while. This helps to drain out the remaining liquid. You understand? After a few minutes, you mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined. Yes, mix it, turn it very well. Then the next chemical is formalin. Burst the container open or leather, depending on what they put your formalin for you. My, as you can see, is in leather, so I had to use a broomstick and make sure your gloves are still on. Formalin can irritate the skin, so be cautious. Pour it into the mixture and stir until it blends perfectly. Next is SLL, sodium lauryl sulfate. Now we'll be adding the SLLs. This one comes in rice gray form, which is why I didn't premix it with water. If it came as powder, we'll have to dissolve it first to avoid forming lumps. Pour it in directly and stir very well to ensure everything mixes smoothly. The next chemical is Texapon. Yes, it looks a bit slimy, but that's exactly how it should be. Pour it in and stir thoroughly until your mixture becomes smooth and even. Next chemical to go in is color. Now it's time to add some color. I will be using yellow color, even though it might appear orange or pink at first. Then you have to mix the color in a separate small bowl of water. Stir it well before you pour it into your main mixture. Yes, I know your popular color for liquid soap is green or blue, but no, because it's home use, I have to use yellow color. And once when you are done pouring it in, fetch water and pour, like make sure you raise everything inside this bowl, because my mom used to say, "I preparing and I prepare." Then turn continuously until the color blends evenly. Next, let's add some fragrance. I will be using banana scented perfume. It's my favorite because it leaves clothes smelling fresh and sweet after washing. Pour it all around the mixture and raise the container with a little water. Add that in too. Like my mama always says, when you prepare early, even the smallest leftover counts. Of course, yes. This chemical is foam buster. Now add your foam buster. This chemical helps your soap to foam properly and balances with the sulphonic that I told you is a foaming agent, right? Yes. And after producing this liquid soap, a drop of this liquid soap will be washed off with plenty of water. So just handle it carefully. Then pour in the remaining sulphonic that was kept upside down earlier. You can now pour it in the mix. And also, you can also keep your foam buster container upside down too. As you can see, I kept my own upside down. I don't want any single thing to be like, I want everything in this chemical to come out. Yes, at this stage, you have to mix everything very well. Make sure there are no lumps or unmixed portions. Turn from side to side until the mixture is smooth and consistent. Now it's time to complete our 20 liters. You can pour in the remaining 10 liters of water gradually, either 10, 2 liter or 5 liter at a time. So you can control the thickness. For me, since this batch is for home use, I poured in all 10 liter at once. Then you have to turn it now again. Turn it gently so that you don't get to pour in the liquid soap everywhere. And that's it. Your liquid soap is ready. As you can see, it's a bit watery, which is perfect for home use. If you are making soap for sale, remember to add your water little by little to keep it thicker and richer so you can control the thickness. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Don't forget to like, drop your thoughts in the comment section and share with your friends. There's still so much more to learn here. On this channel, we'll be learning how to make detergent, bleach, car wash, toilet wash, Vaseline, bed soap, and lots more amazing products you can create right from home. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps my channel grow. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.